They want to give a review on the Shark, our little vacuum cleaner here. So, Miss Gerda Müller, what do you like about Shark, or Buddy as you call him?
I like that he cleans my house and I don't have to do it anymore.
What do you like about how he can vacuum?
I like that he's thorough. He goes every place, every
Tell
corner.
us about every place.
Every place. He goes.
And he vacuums underneath the bed too.
Oh man, that's what our buyers need to hear. A lot of times you don't want to move your beds and your drawers and your tables.
He's perfect for me.
Yes,
He's perfect.
and he can fit under just about
Okay,
everything.
can we start him up?
Yeah, look at his little crawlies.
His little crawlies.
What do you like about the way he vacuums?
Yeah, I just love the way he opens.
Look at that.
Maybe that's why it's important. See how he gets...
Do you like the way he...
But see how he follows this one, the next track right next to it?
Do you like the way he goes from place to place?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, see now. Let's see where does he decide to go.
This little shark has changed the way of living for the Müllers.
Yeah.
This happens every morning.
Yeah.
He vacuums the house.
Yeah.
He's so
We're
smart.
eating breakfast.
Look at his little...
First thing we had, I moved everything. I moved the chairs and the table, and then she went straight back and
Oh,
forth.
Miss Müller, will you tell us what you like about how he bumps into things?
Right. He doesn't knock it over, he just touches it. See how he found his way under the chair?
Mm-hmm.
But he touches it very gently, the base, and then he goes on. He says, okay, I can't hurt this little baby.
Look at this smart little thing. Creepy crawly. He has those cute little crawlers. Ah! Tell us about how long it takes for him to clean the whole house.
Well, it takes, I let him run until he runs out of juice. And that could be 2.5 hours.
Oh. So he runs a pretty long time.
Yeah.
And tell us about what he does when he runs out of battery.
He just goes,
And then what happens?
then he just stays there. He says, let me go home. He tries to dock himself, but I have to push the dock button. So then I have to help him. So now there's the...
But yeah, a nice thing about him is he doesn't die, right? He doesn't die and just stop. You can trust him to tell you when he needs to be plugged.
He would have still kept going.
I think he's trapped. Oh.
He just tried to go and he didn't like that box there.
Oh.
One thing you have to be careful of is...
Oh, he goes under there too. Watch him. He can just barely fit under there. Oh, come on. Go under there.
Don't go. No, don't go under there again. You don't have to go under there anymore.
Whoop. Bump. All right.
Watch him go in there. See, it just makes it. I mean, there's not a quarter inch in here. They built the furniture just right. Now they should make a certification to the size like that. So the new furniture can be made like this.
Oh, tell us about how he materials to something lower to higher.
Oh, well, like he bent over this? No problem. That's carpet.
He really has no trouble vacuuming, does he? Let's say, if you were about to review this, how many stars would you give him?
I would give him 5 stars because I like him.
Wonderful.
Watch this.
Because he's your buddy, huh?
This is the lady
Okay. Where is he?
He's okay, now he's gonna do that. Now he's gonna do that. No, he's not there. See, he was up there a little bit, but finally going to get down.
Yeah.
And
Very gentle with that thing.
use it a little bit. That's okay. You want to pick stuff up there. See, you gotta be careful with these things. See this here, they come off.
Oh, there he comes. Good fly, Sharky. Now Miss Mueller will dock this smart little shark. Watch him go straight to his dock, which is over there. Come on, little guy, come on. Now he docks. Look at him. He's done. Goodbye. Okay, Miss Mueller. Thank you for kindly giving us a 5-star review on the Shark vacuum cleaner, who does his job automatically with no help from anybody.
Very well.